Two of the following videos are true, while the other one is trash. Can you spot the fake? Round 2, let's begin. Latex, like that of the standard air balloon, is quite sensitive to large temperature changes. That means if I touch an ice cube to the surface for a few seconds, it'll cause the balloon to pop, even when you're only pressing gently. First, take a large metal ring like this and a bead necklace and tape the necklace to a surface a few inches apart so it can hang freely like this. Next, I'm going to drop this ring in a very particular way by simply releasing my thumb, which will cause the ring to fall. When I place the metal ring around the bead necklace and perform this drop from the top, the ring won't hit the table because the necklace beads will tie around the metal ring, holding it up. First, start with 2 large books. I'm going to place some rope in between each book towards the spine about halfway through. Next, I'm going to overlap the pages of these books, alternating a few pages from each side at a time. Once they're completely overlapping, I'll tie one string to a heavy cinder block, and I'll tie the other string in a knot to make a handle. Even though it's just the friction from the overlapping pages, I can pick up the string handle and use the books to lift the heavy cinder block. You've now seen all 3 videos, and it's time to pause to vote in the comments for which one you thought was fake. Dropping this ring in this way actually will work like this, and it's honestly really cool to see. The way the ring rotates as it falls yanks the bead necklace in such a way that it does tie itself to the ring. I was actually surprised at just how consistent this works once you have the right setup. And by the way, you do need to release the ring perpendicular to the width of the necklace in case that wasn't clear. It's also true that overlapping the pages of 2 large books allows you to lift quite heavy objects. It's the tremendous amount of static friction between the pages that makes them nearly impossible to pull apart with your hands. That means an ice cube won't pop a regular air balloon. The culprit was a usual suspect, the limonene spray that I used in a previous episode. Instead of a regular ice cube, I quickly sprayed the ice cube with the limonene while you weren't looking. Limonene actually dissolves the latex of the balloon, causing it to pop.